In this video, we will show you how to install a plugin in WordPress. What is a plugin? A plugin is a software that enhances your WordPress website's functionality. It acts as an add-on that can introduce new features, boost performance, or customize your site without coding. Whether you need contact forms, SEO improvements, security enhancements, or an online store, there's likely a plugin for it. Ready to enhance your website? Let's walk through how to install plugins directly from your WordPress dashboard and unlock powerful new features with just a few clicks. You can access your WordPress dashboard in two ways: through your Bluehost account manager or through direct login to WordPress. For the Bluehost account manager method, please follow these steps. Log into your Bluehost account manager with your username and password. Please enter the verification code sent to your email and click Authenticate. In the account manager, click Websites in the left menu. Click the WordPress admin button for the website you wish to manage. Your WordPress dashboard will open in a new tab. For the direct WordPress login method, please follow these steps. In your browser, enter your domain name followed by a /wp-admin. On the login page, enter your WordPress username and password. Once you're in the WordPress dashboard, follow these steps to install a plugin. Go to the Plugin section and select Add Plugin. You can search for a plugin by name, category, or function. Type the plugin's name in the keyword field. Select Install Now next to the plugin you want to install. Click the Activate button to enable the plugin. Your plugin is now activated. You can go to the Plugins menu anytime to view plugin settings, deactivate, or upgrade the plugin. Congratulations! You've just learned how to install a plugin in WordPress. Nicely done! Plugins are one of the most powerful tools in your WordPress toolkit. With just a few clicks, you can customize your site, enhance its performance, and unlock entirely new features.